Hi everyone, now we move on to example 18. Given that px is a polynomial such as x multiplied by x squared minus 13 plus 12, we need to express px as a product of linear factors. Hence, we have to solve for the equation px equals to 0. So, first of all, expand your px . So we will get x cubed minus 13x plus 12. So to find a linear factor, we have to find one of the factor of px. By inspection, let's say we choose x is equals to 1. So try p1, substitute 1 into px, we'll get 0. Since p1 is equals to 0, so we can conclude that x minus 1 is a factor of px. Now, to find the other factors of px, we have to use the long divisions. So use your first factor, x minus 1, as your divisor. So divide x cubed with x, we will get x squared. So x squared multiplied by x minus 1, you will get x cubed minus x squared. So please be careful here because we don't have x squared in the px. So it means that 0x squared minus x squared. So we have x squared here. And then bring down the negative 13x. So x squared divided by x is x. X multiplied by x minus 1 is x squared minus x. So subtract those two, we will get negative 12x. Finally, bring down 12 and divide negative 12x with x, which is negative 12. And multiply back negative 12 with x minus 1, we should get 12x plus 12 and ended up with 0. Next step is by write your polynomial x cubed minus 13x plus 12 equals to the quotient x squared plus x minus 12 times the divisor x minus 1, and then factorize x squared plus x minus 12 into your linear factors, which is x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. So this is your linear factors. Next, we need to solve for x. So we get px is equals to x plus 4 times x minus 3 times x minus 1. So to solve it, make it px equals to 0. So x plus 4 times x minus 3 times x minus 1 is equals to 0. So your x is equals to negative 4, x equals to 3, and x equals to 1. So this is your final answer.